Cut the light on.
Oh my God, this is doing. Veronica, get your dog. I don't touch this dog.
She's scared of this dog.
Veronica, come and get your dog. If I hurt him, I don't want to hurt him. Listen to it. It must be a baby or something.
Come on out. That dog ain't gonna hurt you, Rhonda.
Veronica!
That dog is not gonna hurt you.
I'm gonna get in trouble with the Goodwill if I don't be home. Get the dog.
That dog ain't gonna hurt you, man. Come on.
Oh my God, it's so wrong with it.
This dog is not gonna do nothing to you.
I see the shadow. I see it moving.
This dog is not gonna do nothing to you, Rhonda.
Man, just go.
It's a cute little dog. Got on glasses and stuff.
Put him in the storage. I see him from that side.
Come on out of here. I got it. Unlock the door.
Need the door locked. Veronica!
Unlock the door, Rhonda.
I see something moving under the door. I already got one of those videos of that. That sick bitch ain't gonna bite me. Veronica!
Veronica ain't even got her. That's supposed to be your ace boom coon.
Oh my God.
Say what you want to say.
In trouble with the Goodwill. Oh my God, listen to it.
That little dog mean.
Water or something. I'm finna tell him.
Come on, run out.
I'm gonna hit it so hard with an angel, it don't make no sense. I'm gonna bust it brain out if it bite me now.
It ain't gonna bite you. Come on.
Uh-uh.
Come on, get the dog. Oh, y'all go put the dog in the garage. Y'all got it. He gone now. Come on. The dog is gone, Rhonda.
Come on! Man, go put that fucking dog in there before I hurt it now.
Go put the dog in for
I
real.
don't want to hurt your dog.
She ain't gonna hurt it. Come on.
But
He
the
gone.
Goodwill gonna get me, so I'm gonna have to get it because I
Take
ain't
it out
gonna
the
go
door.
back to prison.
Take him out the door.
So I'm gonna have to get the dog.
All right, come on.
You said that last time.
Come on, Rhonda. Like, really? I'm right here. You got your
I knew
brother.
I shouldn't have came back here. That's what I get for fucking off.
You got your brother here. Come on.
Should have never brought my ass around here.
I'm gonna protect you. Come on, it's gone.
Man, fuck you.
You don't hear no dog. Come on.
Bitch, you a liar too.
Come on.
I hope you know if I go back to prison, I'm gonna hunt your ass down, bitch. You gonna go too?
I got you. You good. I love you. Come on.
Cause you.
The dog is gone. Come on. Would you show the dog what she's scared of? It's so cute. Rhonda, this a toy dog, man. It's a little toy dog with batteries. It ain't sitting on there in the garage.
Open the door,
Look,
you will see.
it's a little toy dog, Rhonda.
You so fucking
What you gotta say, Rhonda? And you on Facebook Live.
Man, give me my keys.
Facebook Live.
Oh, y'all need
Facebook Live. Facebook Live. Boy, that was funny, boy. Oh, Lord.